Ayra was a little girl with a big heart, always ready for adventure. Her mama's belly was round like a balloon, and Ayra noticed Mama moved slower these days. Mama! Sit down! I'll do it, Ayra announced proudly, wanting to be extra helpful. She tried sweeping the floor, though the broom was almost taller than her. The bristles left more dust lines than clean spots, but she beamed anyway. Next, she carried a small basket of laundry, wobbling a little under its weight. She stumbled and giggled, saying, "The clothes are running away from me." Later, Ayra fetched a glass of water all by herself from the kitchen. She held it carefully, both hands wrapped around it as if it were treasure. "Here, Mama, drink," she proudly said, handing it over, a few drops having spilled. In the afternoon, Ayra climbed onto a chair to wipe the table, humming a happy tune. She imagined she was a superhero saving the kitchen, her towel cape flowing behind her. When Mama grew tired, Ayra fetched a cushion. "For you, Mama, so baby can rest too." That evening, Ayra asked, "Mama, when baby comes, will you still need me to help?" Mama hugged her close. "I'll always need you, Ayra. You are my sunshine." Ayra leaned against her mother's belly and whispered to the baby, "Don't worry, I'll help you too." In their home,